Hey everyone, it's Kevin at Halo Power Solutions. We are here today out on a very nice acreage in Leduc County where we just finished installing a Generac whole home backup generator. You can see it there behind us. So yeah, we're just going to go do a run through here, simulate a power outage, show you how it starts up, what it looks like when it's running, and how the transfer switch kicks over. There's my compadre Stuart behind me. Hello, Stu.
Hello, Kevin.
All right, so let's get started. So what we have here is a Generac Guardian 7209 model, and it has a 100 amp breaker. So this is a great setup if you've got a home with a 100 amp service, or even a 200 amp service. All right, so what we're going to do is simulate a power outage. In this particular installation, we put the transfer switch in the ground. Here we are with Stu. You want to give us a quick tour of the transfer switch?
Here we have your 200 amp transfer switch. We've got the main control here. What we're going to do now is shut off the service utility disconnect. The utility power is coming to the top. It's coming out the bottom. Feeds our panel. When the generator kicks on, it's also going, when this turns off, the generator will come up and feed the panel also.
Perfect.
So we just have a power outage right now. What was that? Lightning?
Power's down. Okay. So in about 30 seconds, we should see our Generac generator fire up. It does take about 30 seconds until that generator is signaled to fire up. Generator started. Back inside, and we should see it transfer over any moment. There it goes, and look, lights are on in the shop. So that's how it works, as easy as that. It's a basically unit that's set in auto mode. You don't really have to do anything. Just let it stand by and wait for the power to go down, and within under a minute you'll have lights back on. All right, Stu, what are we doing next?
Well, the utility power has been restored, so the generator switch will automatically switch back to the utility.
Okay.
Instead of being fed from the generator. It takes, I think, up to 30 seconds for it to switch back, and you're going to see the switch change, which will simulate it going back now, full on utility and no longer on the generator.
There it goes. So we're back on utility power, and really we didn't notice anything with the lights changing. And right now, the generator is just going to go through a cool down cycle and shut down. There you have it. So it's done its cool down. And when we open up the lid, you see that it says ready to run. And it's as simple as that. So yeah, definitely a great way to protect your home when power does go down. We can install these on virtually any home out there. So be sure to give Halo Power a call.